watching this. My name is Jibril Diri, and I'm planning on helping anybody who needs help with uploading images to their JFrame. What do you call it? So I'm just gonna make a new program, and I'm also gonna help Mac users learn how to submit their J their programs with their images intact and with their program and everything. Because that's a problem I was facing as a Mac user. I'm not going to prove that my solution to the problem works. That's something you're going to have to do. I'm just going to call it Windows to PC, just because, no, it's, what the hell? Mac to Windows. Okay, no caps, no nothing, who cares? So basically, to upload an image, you're going to have to, what do you call it? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, swing containers, and then it's not swing containers. It's you're gonna have to get a J label. I'm not gonna rename it or anything. I'm just gonna then just like widen it, make it as big as you want. Oh my God, I remembered. I downloaded an image beforehand, but I just took in that the image is not scaled. But who cares? I could explain that later, or I can just not explain that. Who cares? So my image is in downloads, which is right here. And the reason why I'm going to my image is because it makes life more easier. Ah shit, I just took something in. Okay, whatever. Sorry for swearing. Where was I? Computer science. Okay, I'm just gonna go to my program and drag my image to my program. So here's my program. It's called helping. I'm gonna put it right there. And then Mac OS to Windows, and then you make sure it's in sources. And that's all you need to do for step one. And that's a very important step if you use Mac, because that might be the problem to a solution. No, a solution to a problem. My brain doesn't work. A solution to a problem you might have. Okay, then after that, if you ever if you're a Windows user, it's okay. You could externally like upload an image and then do blah blah blah. I mean, this one is in source, but let's just say I'm not sure if I have any other. Let me check if I have. Oh yeah, let's just say if you're a Windows user, you want to upload a different image. I'm terrible at explaining. You go, one of my images are here, funny manga panels, and then pow, and then, well, this guy is, I'm pretty sure, yeah, he's pissing out of his nipples. It's pretty funny, yeah. Okay, I don't know, I have a terrible sense of humor. But that's not what we want to do. That's not recommended for Mac users, so I'm just gonna do the method if you use an Apple computer. The, the method that you should be using. That works for me at least. So, what do you call it? Okay, so I'm lost. You click those three dots. Okay, and I put this in source packages, and then yeah, well, it works. It might be doing the same thing, but it really isn't. So the reason why we want it in source packages is because right here it says file or URL, right? So like the URL on the file, or that, let's just call it address. The address of the file on Windows is not the same as the address on Mac. So like when you're running it in a Windows computer, you might get confused. You might be like, "Oh my God!" No, not you. The Windows computer is gonna be confused. It's gonna be like, "Where is this image? You gave me the wrong address." But like, if it's an image within the project, the computer knows, or the project knows, whichever one, I don't know, knows that knows where the image is, because it's inside a file that's within the project, and the project is the same whether it's in Windows or it's in what do you call it? It's in Mac. So yeah, what else do I have to say? I don't know. I think that's all. Just make sure it's in the source packages, and that's all. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Scaling the image, that's a thing I could explain. You could like delete that text if you want. Scaling the image is something, it's pretty easy. Just go on YouTube. I could explain that if somebody asks in class. Otherwise, nope. And there's one last thing. that I wanted to show. No, I'm not gonna show it now, but yeah, I could like for future, for the future. It's gonna take a while to explain, but how to do this. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Figured it out and everything. It's I put a background image. It sucks, I know. Oh yeah, I could show it in a better project too. Okay, I'll show. Let me run it because I like I made it hidden. Yeah, you see that's so cool, right? Yeah, I know. Okay, okay. Yeah, I could teach that depending on how many bonus marks I get because that's like a 20-minute or like 10-minute video because I'm not concise at all and yeah, it's gonna be hard to explain. I'm not really a good teacher. So yeah, that's pretty much it.